Hey guys, it's Robin, RsIslandCrafts. Welcome to my craft room. I have something a little bit different for you. Both of these stuffies are crocheted. This one I made, this one was actually, I won it I believe I won it on Instagram, but I still wanted to show it to you because I have made giraffe ones before, and I just love the colors, and he is just so adorable. I believe he came from England, actually. So he's an adorable giraffe. He's got this little poofy belly and everything. He's got his little floppy legs, and he works really well to sit on a shelf on my bookshelf, and he just kind of hangs out with some of my other stuffies. He's even got a cute little pink smile down there. So he's very, very cute. I have never made my ears this way, so I was just looking at this. This is an interesting way to make it. I like the way it kind of gives them a little bit of a poof to them without having to stuff them. And then they can just pop out a little bit like that, and they're very, very cute. He's got his little safety eyes on. So there's my giraffe. He's a buddy of mine, and the kids do not get to keep him. This guy is from a surprise, a mystery crochet along from Mikey from the Crochet Crowd. Once again, many, many years ago. Each week or each day or however it worked, I don't remember, every few days or something, we would get different parts of him. And we knew it was going to be like a monster, I believe, but we didn't know what it was going to be. And he ended up basically being Mike Wazowski. So it was probably during that time when that movie was very popular. Was it Monsters, Inc.? Yes, Monsters, Inc. So I just happened to do my guy in purple because I like purples. I have made a few of these already, and they have gone flying off to new homes. I've made some for the shop, and I've made some for friends, and I've made some for the kids. So he's a cute guy. If you put him on the shelf just right, maybe prop him up a little, he does stand. You could, that's the whole thing with stuffed animals. You can change their character by how you put their eyes on, whether you give them, you know, angry or happy or surprised, whether you put their legs under them or you sew them onto the legs here so that they can sit easily. It just changes everything about them. But I love this guy's big hands and his big feet. He kind of reminds me also of Big Bird, so things can get adjusted a little bit if you want a different type of pattern. But he is very, very cute. Look, see, he can stand up. So those are my stuffies for this week. These guys can be buddies. Aw, they're best buddies, see? Check your Throwback Friday, Flashback Friday. Oh, I can't remember what I'm even calling my own videos. Flashback Friday video up there in the iCard, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.